beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some.
Hey guys, if y'all want to see how I achieved this look and want this stream beauty factor here, back with another video, guys. I am back. Alright guys, y'all know what time it is. It is payment time. It's payment time. It's payment time. It's payment time. Hey, it's payment time. Hey guys, I am back with another video. And guys, I don't have anything new. Nothing new. I just used what I had. I do got some stuff on the way though. I used the LA Girl VIP Desert Dream eyeshadow palette. Of course, you know I had two of them. The other one was, yeah, the other one was the mainstay. So I just wanted to do kind of like a fall look, because we getting ready to go into fall. So I just decided to do this right here. It's kind of orangey, got a yellow, whatever, but you will see in the video how did I achieve this look. Okay. So guys, and what else did I do? I got anything else new? No, I don't have anything else new. So I just want to jump right on into this video, not to make this intro long.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, can't go one more day. No, I can't. One more day without you. Can't go one more day. I can't go one more day without you. No, I can't go one more day.
A faded photograph feels like 100 years ago. Life was easy then, or is it just the way the mind works? We look so bold, like the winners of the league. Don't you know we had it all those summer days?
Hey guys, I did not realize that my TV was playing at the time when I was trying to tell y'all about the product. So that's why y'all see me talking. I was trying to tell y'all about the products. All right, but maybe next time I will talk in the video. All right, guys.
Time is a thief. It